introduction. Vikrant Rona, seeing Vikrant Rona on this tallest structure. All set. Sir, what went inside to see such a magnanimous moment, historical moment created, and such a proud moment for the entire cinema fraternity? Please, few words.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಬಾವುಟ ಬಂತು. ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ನನಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ that was a surprise which my team had organized. So I'm very happy to see the colors of Karnataka come there. And yes, my brothers, I'm so happy to see all such happy faces. And I hope all my friends all over there in India, they got to at least see a little bit of the clipping live. I hope the streaming went well. Otherwise also we will leave the video as soon as possible.
So please do not miss it. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. sharp, you can witness the entire event on Kit Shah's Creations YouTube channel. So this is irrespective of the frontiers. The entire cinema fraternity is very happy to witness such a the biggest moment and the pride moment for every one of us. And one more time, last few things to be celebrated by the people about Vikrant Rona.
Wait for it. Now we brought it till here. We need couple of months more to get the post done, and I think the 3D done. And so once it's done, it will be out probably somewhere in the end, not later in the end. So somewhere around August, September, I'm not sure. So they have given us so much love for this film even before it is completed. So I'm totally indebted and humbled.
Seeing the fans in your part of the world is different, and seeing them in this part of the world, what's happening?
It always feels good and very blessing. In fact, you know, it's a great feeling. A feeling. If you ask me, yeah, I can hear them still scream. So it's a you know, you first of all, when a person is born, even for the people to know your name, you know, you need so much of things you need to do to grab some attention from the crowd. And when people know you so in and out by name, by personality, give you so much of love, sometimes we keep wondering what is it that we deserve. What is it that we do to deserve? But you know, by the end of the day, when you come to this part of the world, any part of the world, and people recognize you, I think it's the greatest reward, award any celebrity or any entertainer can have, ma'am. And I think today I feel so complete being in the entertainment field with all of you showering so much of respect and love.
Okay, being a senior, seeing all the juniors' faces on this tallest structure, what went inside again? Few words for them. Inspiring.
There's no seniority, juniority in the cinema fraternity. It's just that, you know, how many years we survive, and how long you can survive, and how long you can entertain is what counts. And it can happen in just few years. It can take many years to complete, and sometimes even you complete earlier, you stay around for a long time. It's just because people want to see you again and again. So I guess the exciting feeling will never die, and I'm equally as excited as those youngsters down there. But I'm equally happy. I'm much happier to see them look at themselves in their very first film, very third film. You know, their names over there. It took me almost 25 years to reach here. Yeah, it just took them not even 25 months to reach here. So I guess I'm very happy for them. God bless them, and it feels blessed. I love my industry. I love my Kannada industry, which has given me everything. I love my technicians, my actors, my supporting stars, my heroines, my musicians, my singers, my staff, my production units, everybody who has made me become the person I am, and who always made me look wonderful on screen, make me look beautiful. The women I've worked with, they have given me immense respect, and the love they've showered on and off screen. It's like being alive, and they all make me feel very beautiful.
I could see some teary eyes. Okay, that's what I was asking is, I could see many teary eyes. Even still, the director is like, Habba, it's done. So, just few words about the director and his hard work and the man.
I am not going to say anything because his work will talk for him. I will endorse that. And because if he was not good, and I don't think we would be working. And I don't think if he wasn't a good human, I don't think even we would have reached till here today. You know, there is always a bond we both have shared, and that's personal. And he's a great guy, and I'm sure, see, he's gone through certain humiliations too. I think he has fought it out, and I think he will fight it out alone. And yeah, we are all with him, and his work will definitely speak once the movie is done.
Heartiest wishes to Mr. Anup Bhandari from our side. And for a film, the main important person, the backbone, should be the producer. Few words about Shalini and...
He's not the backbone, he is everything. All right, he is the flesh, he is the bone, he is the mind. everything. He's been a wonderful person, and he has believed. And I think anybody who wants to achieve big has to think big, has to do big. He has done that. He has had, but not that he had any kind of support. He's fought it out alone. The team was with him. The team never kind of made him feel alone anytime that, you're here only to invest money and we're going to enjoy it. Everybody used to wake up with the same intention every day, and that's what made us come till here so far. And also the fact that, from the day one, the love the crowd of Karnataka, the Kannadigas, the love my fans have given me, the friends have given me, all these people have shown us so much of attention, given us attention, so much of love they've given, so much of energy that every time we used to go onto the set, whatever used to come on the line and that used to reach us, is to energize us to do furthermore better. And all the youngsters today in my film industry, the way they think, the way they do films, and the way they market their films, these are all learning lessons even for us. So how do we do? What do we do? A very beautiful industry where a lot of good people are there, and I think if Vikrant Rona is here, it's just not my film. I think it's the encouragement they have given us to do better, and I think we will do better. More and more.
Even we are waiting to see many more things to come up. And how well and how happy the family reacted.
They have always been happy for whatever the little things we do in life, as long as we are right in life, I guess. And my family, when you say, I think I will say the whole of the state is my family, because I have a lot of friends everywhere. The fans have been, when I say friends, I always mean fans, okay? So I don't call them that way. So my friends have always been there, irrelevant to situations, loops, drops, highs, they have been there, and they've always believed in me. There are phases where we give really bad films at times. And no, it's a decisions what we would have taken. And even as a writers, when somebody write to us, I think it's those momentary things that we would have made them also to write at times. It's nobody's fault. I don't blame anyone. But those times, when the films are not doing well, that is a phase where actually every belief stops. And that's the time when actually your people come in, and your beliefs come in, your mind comes in. And I think everybody held me high there and didn't let me drop. And more than that, cinema held me. As I was going down also, it also bending with me, holding me like that. So, it just never let go of me. So I'm very grateful to everyone.
Right. So what would be the next immediate thing which you would do? If you want to call somebody and say, Baba, you saw this?
No, I'm just concerned that, we did everything over here. It's just not about me. There's my father, mother sitting over there in Karnataka, Bangalore. There's my family, all my friends out there, a lot of my industry colleagues who have been looking forward to this. And I hope the streaming has gone well. At least they've been able to catch a little bit already, because we will leave it with clarity by tomorrow morning, and the video also. But I just hope they all got it. I want to find out about that now. Happiness, we will go later to the room and we'll party about it. But I want to, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಲುಪಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಭಾಳ ಶ್ರಮ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗಕ್ಕೆ 25 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ನನಗೆ ಕೈ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಆಲ್ ನನ್ನ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋವಂಥ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ನಾಯಕ ನಟರಾಗಲಿ, ನಟಿಯರಾಗಲಿ, ಕಲಾವಿದರಾಗಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಮೀ ಫೀಲ್ ವೆರಿ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ your love makes me feel more stronger. Thank you all. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನನಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಿಗೂ, ನನ್ನ 25 ವರ್ಷ ನೀವು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಸಂಗೀತ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು, ಗಾಯಕರು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದಿಂದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದರಿಂದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. I just know to say thank you all. Thank you.
And thank you so much, Kicha sir. The 25 years of Kicha Sudeep has given lots and lots of life lessons, and we love you always. Thank you. Peace. Thank you so much. All right, so that was the Vikrant Rona, the spectacular title logo launch on this beautiful tallest structure in the world, Burj Khalifa, the first ever film's title launch, and the sneak peek as well, the 25 years of cinema celebrations of Kicha Sudeep on this beautiful and magnanimous moment.